Peter Romero from Innovations at the Base of the Pyramid in Southeast Asia Program at the New York School of Government. Dr. Rene Pineda, President, Partnership for Clean Air, General Manager of the Ortigas Center Association, members of the media, my ADB colleagues, distinguished guests, good morning and a very warm welcome to ADB. Economic growth and rapid urbanization have resulted in an unprecedented growth in vehicle ownership, which has led to severe congestion, high accident rates and pollution, all very familiar to us around this building. In most Asian cities, the response to this growing congestion has focused on building more roads, building more intersections, engineering solutions. The building out of congestion approach by providing for ever expanding number of private vehicles is not sustainable. Non-motorized transport, and in particular walking, is the most basic of mobility options, but is often the most neglected in terms of planning, investment, policy support. Enhancing pedestrian and bicycle facilities can be a highly cost-effective means to alleviate traffic congestion, reduce pollution, and improve human health. And these objectives can be achieved with modest investments, yet this does not happen. And let me give my example. I live very close to ADB. I live just opposite Robinson's Galleria. It's hardly 5 minutes walk from ADB, yet I do not walk. I come by car in the morning. Now, we are trying to do our part in ADB to focus on non-motorized transport solutions. ADB is helping develop a number of pilot projects across countries in this region to demonstrate the utility of non-motorized transport solutions. We hope, and this is our vision, that these pilot projects will catalyze greater investments in and attention to non-motorized transport solutions to urban congestion. The Ortigas Central Business District has been identified as an opportunity for a demonstration project of this type. There are a number of positive factors that led to the selection of Ortigas. It's a junction of 3 major cities in Metro Manila, is home to major business establishments, condominium, shopping malls, all. There's been support from private, public sector stakeholders, from policymakers. Ortigas is also home to ADB, and we wish to be a contributing community member in improving the transport conditions in the area, especially with regard to walking in this area. And I do hope with your efforts, in a year's time, I can walk to the office. That's our vision. This is not just about the safety and accessibility of our employees, but about establishing a quality demonstration of sustainable mobility in our own neighborhood. The objective is to support an initial planning and design of better pedestrian conditions in this area, and I can see the maps on your table, so please go for it. Our Ortigas Greenways initiative is hopefully just the start of a longer-term commitment to making our neighborhood more sustainable for everyone. Taking this opportunity on behalf of ADB, I would especially like to thank the following for making this happen. To Ateneo University and the Clean Air Initiative for Asian Cities for both bringing the new mobility mapping exercise to the Philippines and specifically to Ortigas. To the municipalities and mayors of both Pasig City and Mandaluyong City for your enthusiasm and leadership in making this agenda possible. To the Ortigas Center Association and the entire private sector partners here in Ortigas. Today you are being asked to develop a new vision for Ortigas Business District. This is a unique opportunity to be creative in shaping the future of our community. I want to remind everyone that this seemingly small beginning is very important. Nothing is negligible, as all good ideas and change start with something very, very small. I wish you all very good luck with this endeavor. Thank you and a very good morning.